In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Zoho Books Invoice Custom Template. Let's jump right in from the Zoho Books homepage. Once you're signed in, open your settings using the gear icon. This is where all your organization level preferences live, including how your invoices look. Inside Settings, head to Customization, then open PDF Templates. You'll see a list of invoice templates available to you. Pick the one you want to work with and click Edit. That opens the template editor, where we'll walk through each area to get your invoice looking clean, on brand, and easy for customers to understand. Start in the General section. Give your template a clear, memorable name so your team can recognize it later, especially if you maintain variations for different regions or brands. Next, set the paper size. A4 is common in many countries, while letter is standard in others. Choose what matches your customers and your printers to avoid unexpected line breaks. Adjust the orientation next. Portrait is typical for invoices, but if you have wide item tables or need more room for columns, landscape can prevent wrapping and keep amounts aligned. Fine-tune your margins so nothing gets clipped when printed or exported. If your printer tends to crop the footer, increase the bottom margin slightly. Keep margins consistent to preserve balance on the page. Move on to font settings and choose a font that is both on-brand and highly readable. Use a regular body weight for details and a slightly larger or bolder style for headings. If your invoices include special characters or multiple languages, pick a font with strong character support to avoid substitution issues in the PDF. For background, you can add a color band or a subtle watermark. Keep it light and low contrast so text stays legible. If you use an image, prefer a small file size and set a gentle opacity to avoid inflating your PDF and slowing email delivery. As you make changes in this section, watch the preview to confirm spacing, contrast, and alignment look right. Now, open Transaction Details. This area controls information in the header and footer, like invoice number, dates, and payment terms. Make sure the essentials are visible and clearly labeled so customers can quickly confirm what they're being billed for and when payment is due. Enable Show Organization logo to place your branding front and center. Use a high-resolution logo with a transparent background and size it so it complements the header without pushing critical details below the fold. Next, review Organization Address Format. Include your legal business name and the precise address format your customers expect. If your account has fields for tax registrations, you can include those labels to support compliance. Keep the block concise so it doesn't crowd the header. Open the Table section to control the heart of your invoice, the item list. Then go into Layout to decide how the columns appear. Aim for clarity first. Prioritize item name and description width, then quantity, rate, tax, and amount. Hide rarely used columns to reduce clutter. Ensure numbers are right aligned for easier scanning. And keep heading labels short and consistent. If you use discounts or item codes, place them where they won't disrupt totals. Head to Other Details for totals and supportive content. Confirm subtotal, tax, shipping, and total fields are ordered logically and labeled clearly. Keep notes and terms brief and customer-friendly. If you bill in multiple currencies, ensure the currency symbol and code are visible so there's no ambiguity. Add your bank details so customers who pay by transfer know exactly where to send funds. Include only the fields necessary for your region and method, along with any reference line you want customers to use so you can reconcile payments quickly. Place these details where they're easy to spot, but don't overpower the totals. When everything looks right, click Save. Your customized invoice template is now ready to use whenever you create or send invoices, giving your documents a professional, consistent finish.